Arutwo a thukuru wa Jamhuri maikarite nja wa thukuru iyo makienda mateta mao mathikiririo na thutha wa ihinda undu uyu wehiriria na mambiriria guikia mahiga matekwenda guthikiriria mundu na maumirira ni uthukangia wa indo thukuru-ini ucio guku amwe magikora matire na nguo ciao imwe cia thukuru. Oho arutwo amwe magurara kuria mahanyukirio thibitari na mamukira urigitani.
They started throwing stones to our classrooms, and in the process, you know, when you are throwing a stone, you don't know what it will hit, whether a building or a person. So some of our students were hurt. We rushed them for treatment. They are all safe.
Arutwo aya ni moroteirie kara arugamiriri thukuru ucio makiuga ni maregete kaimana guthikagiriria makaya mao. Marenda ruhonge rwa githomo kuingirira na niguo ihoto ciao ithingatwo.
If the Ministry of Education is not helping us, tell us. Even can go to court. We have rights. We have been born in this country. We are students in this school. Every now and then tunaenda kwake, we report cases. Hakuna kitu anafanya. He's neglecting his job of hearing the students' concern. And we cannot go to our deputy principal because the deputy principal hasn't solved our issue. So we have to go to the final and higher post, which is a principal.
Kurumirira ngahiha-ini aciari magira ciana ciao makiuga na thengia wa maya mothe kuhanika gutire mundu umahurire thimu kumamenyithia thina uria uri kuo niguo na mamenye uria magwika.
No teacher did thought of being concerned of calling us to acknowledge us the problem going in the school. All these parents came here on their own and we are all having the same problem. I don't think this is an issue between the students, it's an issue of the administration.
No arugamiriri thukuru ucio maroiga gutire mateta oro mothe manamukira kuma kuri aciari ona kana arutwo megie mathina maragerera.
Maybe what we are seeing could be having more. So we want to do a thorough investigations. Why students should not be happy with each other. Jamhuri has been a very peaceful school. So we want to know exactly what could have changed that makes our children now hurt each other.
There's no school that can lack small issues, but now we are going to do our investigation. The body is there because it looks like there are more underlying problems and we'll sort them out.
Riu thukuru uyu ni uhingitwo nginyagia mwambiririo wa kiumia twerekeire kuhe kanya uthuthuria gwikwo na niguo kumenya kihumo gia thina uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.